Man, light balance is an issue. You know, you point at a black bit, they're washed out. You point at one of them, they're golden. You point at a pale one, they're a bit dark. You point at a dark one, they're kind of orange. Anyway, recipe says 50 to 70 minutes. I gave them 45 and they were raised right up. They were like up here somewhere and torn open from vapour escaping. So I figured that was probably enough. You can see that there's splits down here and splits across here, and that one's torn, and they all have these seam lines on them. This was the lower shelf, and these are not as bad, though that one still is. I advise, you know, for doing the full cake, give it 60 minutes at 120 centigrade, let it cool down, just turn off the oven and open the oven door slightly and just leave them in there, let them cool down overnight. If you take them out and throw them straight in the fridge, they shatter, they look like a dried up lake bed. And this one has exploded. I think part of the issue was the amount of fruit inside. As this one has exploded, this one can be my sacrifice to test. Somewhere around here I still have that knife. I did actually wash it while I was waiting. There we go. White chocolate Gateau, thin layer of peach in peach brandy, and then white chocolate cheesecake with pepper and ginger. Nothing left to do but taste test. Sniff test. The sniff test is good. Now there's nothing left to do but taste test. And I'll spare you the sound of me taste testing it, just assume they're gorgeous.